Contestant number 2, Cristina Yu. Her speech is entitled The Shift. The Shift, Cristina Yu.
Have you ever doubted yourself? Or even thought that you were not good enough? Raise your hand. Today, allow me to share with you an event to remember that brought me here. I am an innately introverted person. I'm scared to speak in front of many people. Yes, people like you, in fact. Every speech project has been a struggle for me for the past 3.5 years. President Leia called my attention. Cristina, when will you deliver your speech? She convinced me to just deliver my speech, of which I thought was a mock contest organized by our club. At the day of the contest, there were 3 contestants. One backed out, and another went overtime. This gave me mixed emotions. I texted my sister, "Sis, I won our club speech contest by default." I felt I was not good enough to win. I kept the certificate awarded to me. At our club Christmas party after the contest, I sat beside my friend and secretly asked, "How was my speech?" She said, "You look pretty." How was that for an evaluation? I'm always pretty. Friends came over to congratulate me. I felt I won because there's no one else to pick. It was also announced that I will be representing our club in this area contest, which turned up my anxiety level. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. By you, I mean the club. From that day onwards, I would make all excuses not to attend club meetings, so as not to be reminded of the coming competition, for which I know would eventually come. So I tried to prepare. But speech ideas were not flowing. What was happening to me? I prayed so hard, asking for clarity. I asked my sister and my friends, but no one could really give me an answer except me. Was there anyone who was putting pressure on me? Was it my club? No. Was it my family and friends? No. It was me all along. I made a shift on my thought that I would treat myself as how I would treat a friend in difficult times. Because I am scared of being judged, of not being good enough. I shift my self-critical thoughts to the ones that were kind and understanding. So, I treated myself an ice cream, and positive thought. My level of anxiety dipped. Ideas started flowing. Thoughts become clear. And I even had the material to deliver in this contest. To everyone who have raised their hands to my question a while ago, have you ever doubted yourself or even thought you were not good enough or said, I'll think about it? Let me tell you this. We can overcome all fears by consciously befriending and rooting for ourselves. That same thought gave me the courage and reason to stand before you today. 1, to inspire my fellow Toastmaster friends. 2, to win, but this time not by default, but by a landslide. Mr. Contestant.